The ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023 begins on 5th October. However, the India vs Pakistan games are one of the biggest spectacles in the world of cricket. Fans wait in eagerness to witness the two giants lock horns against each other, and as it happens only in multinational tournaments, there's a tremendous demand to catch the action live. The India vs Pakistan match will be held on 14th of October in Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium. When the passes were released on the official ticketing partner BookMyShow, they were sold within seconds. However, in a major surprise, on a platform called Viagogo, one pass for the India vs Pakistan Cricket World Cup match was on sale for an astonishing rupees 57 lakhs. This is the price of a single ticket at the upper tier of the Narendra Modi Stadium. The passes started from rupees 30,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs, went on to 10 lakhs, 28 lakhs, and the maximum which went on to 57 lakhs. According to information available from Viagogo website, it is a global online platform for live sport, music and entertainment tickets. Viagogo aims to provide ticket buyers with the wildest possible choice of tickets to events across the world. Moreover, there's also a provision to sell spare tickets on the platform.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.